Today we're going to bring a nylon connection with 3 types of connections for your actual phones. So let's go ahead and start with the actual connection. First of all, you get a type A to connect the source to make sure that you power it up. Then they give you a micro USB in the first one, and then the Thunderbolt for the actual phone, your iOS phone, and then of course a type C for any kind of device. So try to see if we could plug pretty much 3 devices in one, see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we plug in the source here. We're plugging in here. And the first one, we're going to do the actual phone, an iOS phone, an Apple phone. And we're going to plug it in. And there it goes. It starts charging right now. It's charging. Another ISO, all right? And this is actually type C that we're going to open it up. We're going to plug it in. And there it is, starts charging. So we're going to see if we're charging. We're charging on both devices. Now we need a micro SD USB connection that we're going to connect. So let's go and connect something. All right, so I do have an Astros 850 that I need to plug it in to USB, micro USB. We're going to plug it in here. And there it is. And then we're going to see if it plugs in. If it lights up, we're in business. So all 3 devices are plugging in from the same cord. Every single cord is a different color, if you can see, except for the 2 red ones, one blue, one gray, right? So very simple, easy to install. Love the cable that you could just plug it in and have multiple connections to different devices. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.